Hi everyone, this is Estelle Vasudevan coming to you from the Galle International Cricket Stadium for the very last time on this series. Sri Lanka going down by 9 wickets to a dominant Australian side. They win a series in Sri Lanka for the first time since 2011. So it's been a long time coming for them. They chased down Sri Lanka's target of 75 pretty quickly. Travis Head, the only one dismissed. Usman Khawaja and Marnus Labuschagne, I think they will be happy that he got a decent run at the crease today. For Sri Lanka, earlier today, Kusal Mendis and Lahiru Kumara came out to bat. Unfortunately, Mendis dismissed right after getting his 50, and from that point, a 14-run partnership for the last wicket was all Sri Lanka could manage. It was always going to be an uphill task in terms of challenging this Australian side in the chase, and it just was not possible with that sort of total on the board. Who knows if they'd managed to post around 150, we wonder if there would have been a different result. But at the end of the day, a dominant Australian team, and you can really tell why they've made two consecutive World Test Championship finals. They've been dominant. They've adapted to conditions beautifully. Spinners were good, and the batters got a lot of runs as well. Alex Carey was named man of the match for his performance with the bat in the first innings. Steven Smith, man of the series for Sri Lanka. Dinesh Chandimal and Kusal Mendis the highest run getters, while Prabhat Jayasuriya the highest wicket taker. It wasn't really one of their best performances, particularly in home soil. They end the World Test Championship with just one series win at home, which is unprecedented really for them in terms of from the time the WTC has started. So that's it for me from the Galle International Stadium. I hope to catch you in future tours as well. Make sure you catch the Murali end. We'll be coming live to you on Monday with all the updates and the review of this series.